All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at a website where you can make $500 a day. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. There you're going to get a free membership, free training, free websites, a huge community of very helpful people that everyone helps each other out. It's really cool. Also, use my link down below and I will contact you in that platform as well, and we can start a dialogue and you can ask me questions and such, and I'll help you out there. But anyways, let's get into this. This is a website called squadhelp.com, and basically you're going to be go to contests here, go to active contests, and you're gonna be coming up with names and logos and things for different companies. Name a Mediterranean healthy lifestyle brands, name for an app that will help billions across the globe. And look at this, the guaranteed $500 prize, another $500 prize here. So you know the prices vary. 360 for this one, 300 for that one. Different prices, 300, 300, 300. Another 300 logo for a business, 300 here. So you come up with names and logos and stuff if you're good at graphics and stuff like that. You can check out some name ideas here for beauty for example. Now, you don't want to take these ones because obviously these are ones that are like, you know, used, but you could use these for inspiration. Bare Beauty and all these other ones here. Skin Fuel. Cool names you can use for inspiration. And then check out this. This is the leaderboard here. See how much money people are actually making. So this girl here, she's at $39,000. So she's making a really good income here using this site. The next one down is about 4,633, which is really good as well. 7,000 here, 17,000 here. So you can really make some good money with this, folks. It's you know, obviously it's contests, so you're not gonna get picked for everyone, but you could enter multiple ones in a day. And if you're creative and you come up with different names, cool names and logos and such, you can really start making some cool money. So it's a pretty cool website. Again, it's squadhelp.com. It's just a very short video today, but if you really want to learn how to make money online as well with a platform that I use, check out my #1 recommendation in the video description below. There you're going to get free membership, free training, free websites, and this is something you can make passive income with. Money while you're sleeping, money while you're on vacation. It is work. You have to put the work in, obviously, but it's a huge community of very helpful people there. Everyone helps each other out, and it's a really cool site. It's what I use. Also, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. I make videos about like making money online and everything like this. So check it out, folks. Check out the website. Check out my #1 recommendation. Just check it all out, folks. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.